Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, as I mentioned yesterday, I'm gonna show you how you can actually trade with the 50 period moving average and how you can actually use the moving average to spot the to identify the market condition and then to use a strategy based on the market condition. First let's set up the chart and then I will explain it to you how we can do it. Okay, first we will go to we will set up two charts. Go to that to view vertical right there, click on it, and then for the chart on the left, I will set up a simple moving average there. Go to technical indicator, click on that. Yep, click on that, and then we will select the simple moving average, put a tick right there, and then open the drop down, and yep, go to display. And then we will deselect the SMA2 and SMA3, and then we only used SMA1. And then we will go to parameter, and then for SMA1 we're gonna set it to 50. So again, SMA1 we're gonna set it to 50, and then yep, that's all done. And then we will close the technical indicators window, and now we can see that the market is in a uptrend, and then I will use a trend market strategy, which I like the GMMA. So today I'm just gonna use the GMMA strategy. So go to technical indicators on the right. Yep, click on that, and then I will select the GMMA. Yep, put a tick there, and then we have all set for the indicator. Yep, close it. And then next we need to confirm is that this is pretty important. So next we need to confirm that we are having the same currency pair on both charts. So on both charts I have Euro and British Pound. And then next we will confirm the chart period on both of the chart is the same, which I set it to 1 minute on both charts. And then the last thing I need to see is the option period. So for today I'm actually trading with 1 minute chart period and then 3 minutes option period. So I will be trading by using chart on the right. Okay, so now let me place the trade first, and I will tell you how we can do it. Okay, so yep, I placed a low there because, well, as I mentioned quite many times before, the timing for you to open a low option by using the GMMA is to first we need to identify there is a downtrend. And then second, we will wait for the red line to compress, and then the blue lines are expanding, and then we will open the low option there. So okay, first it brings us back to the first point which is to look for a downtrend. So this is where the moving average comes in. So I have the moving average on the left, and then it's obvious that, as I explained yesterday, that the moving average is heading downward, and then it's located on top of the candlestick. That's a pretty nice downtrend there, and then from there we can confirm that the market is in a downtrend, and then we move back to the GMMA, and then now we can see that the red line were compressing. The red line were compressing, the blue lines were expanding, and then the red lines were below the blue lines, and then that's why I opened it a low option there. So that's why I just want to explain a bit on why I use two charts there, because I just want to keep it simple, because I personally don't like to have so many indicators on my chart at once, because if you have too many indicators, that might confuse you and just make you confused, and you just can't see the right timing, the right information if you have too many indicators on your chart. That's why I separated. I put the simple moving average on the left, and then I put the GMMA on the right, and then that's nice and clear that I can see. When I look at the chart, I can see it is a downtrend instantly, and then that's the advantage by using two charts there. Okay, so I will just fast forward here a bit, and we will stop at when the option is about to finish, and yep, let's fast forward a bit. Okay, so yep, the trade is about to finish, and yep, just a last few seconds, and is ended in profit. So okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna browse a little bit more and then just to look for another chance to show you how to open a high option. So yeah, let's fast forward a little bit here. So just one reminder that you can actually browse on different currency pairs by using the chart on the left, because it's where the moving average is, and then we will use it to see whether the market is good to enter, whether it's a range market or a trend market, and then from there we will adjust the strategy on the right. So now I have looking at the same pair, Euro and British Pound, but now it has become an uptrend, and then I will place a trade first, and then I will explain later. Okay, so yeah, I placed it a high there. So again, the timing for you to place the high using GMMA is when the red lines are compressing and then the blue lines are expanding. And then, first we need to confirm it's uptrend, of course. So after all these criteria are met, I opened it a high option there. So again, I confirmed the uptrend by using the moving average on the left. So now we can see that the moving average is heading upward, and then we have the moving average below the candlestick, and then that's a nice clean uptrend there. And then after I confirm that, I move on to the GMMA, and then I see the red lines are above the blue line, and then the red lines were compressing, and then the blue lines were expanding and heading upward, and then I decided to open a high option there. So yep, next I'm just gonna talk about one of the most asked questions for the GMMAs is when to open a option by looking at the red line. So I have explained that you open an option when the red lines are compressing, but then I just want to add in another point that it will actually improve your result, which is when the red lines are compressing, and you actually need to look at the direction of the red line, because if the red lines are compressing and heading downward, and that might not be a good timing for you to open an option, because when it compresses and heading downward, there is actually a chance that the trend will reverse. So what I'm doing here is that I will wait until the red line to become flat or start to heading upward, and then I will place a high option there. So another thing I want to remind is that don't purchase when the red lines and blue lines are overlapping, and when these two groups of lines are overlapping, there is a high chance for the market to reverse. So do not open new position when the two groups of lines are overlap. So those are the 2 points you need to watch out when you use the GMMA, and that's pretty straightforward. And we'll fast forward the trade a bit until the result comes out. Okay. Yep. So I stopped here and the trade was ending in profit. So let's take a look at the history. Okay. So today I did 2 trades, and then it's a 3 minutes option with 75% payout ratio. So the total profit has come to $150, which is not bad. Well, I traded with 3 minutes option because I wanted more time to explain it to you. But normally, if you want to trade faster, you can actually trade with 30 seconds option, which by using the 10 seconds chart. So it depends on your style and your habits. So if you want to trade for longer, you can, but if you want to trade for shorter, you can as well. Okay, so just a quick summary on the strategy today. So today I used the 2 charts, and then on one is that I used the 50 period moving average on the left to confirm a trend direction. If the moving average is below the candlestick and heading upward, I confirm it's the uptrend, and then I move on to the GMMA, and then I wait for the GMMA to compress, and then when the red lines are compressed and then the blue line expand, and then I will open a high option, and then that's it for the timing for GMMA for high option. And then we'll, well, on the other hand, when we look for a timing to open a low option is when, well, first we will use the simple moving average to confirm a trend market. So if the moving average is above the candlestick and heading downward, we can confirm that it's a downtrend, and then we move on to the GMMA. And then if the red lines compress and then the blue lines expand, we can confirm that it's a timing for us to enter the market and open a low option. And then, well, that's pretty much it about this strategy. So, well, another point is that try to keep your chart clean and clear so that you can actually tell the signals from the indicators instantly once it comes out. So, well, okay, so, well, that's pretty much it for today. And $150 profit, and I'm happy with it. Signing off now, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye! Alright, so well, that's pretty much it for the strategy for today. So make sure you give it a try, see if you like it. So well, if you do have any question on the strategy, make sure to put a comment down there, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. So well, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!